Hey guys, 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸 here, and I help entrepreneurs create sustainable digital businesses from home, applying some few simple steps and strategies, and position themselves with life-changing commissions. That's what I help people do. But in this video, I wanted to come and talk about how to attract the tribe you want in your business. So, when I first got started online, I'm turning this because there's like this glare behind me. Whew, this hair mines. If somebody wants to volunteer to come straight in this um loveliness up here, let me know. Anyways, when I first got started in business, um, I just anybody who said they wanted to align themselves with me, I'm like, yes, yes, come on. And I was so excited. And I think a lot of that came from one, not me being so excited, and maybe that excitement not being tempered, but it also came from a place of desperation in my business. I just wanted to get a sale, right? And I was not thinking for a long-term vision. What kind of tribe do I want to build? What kind of people do I want to align myself with? What do I want? What qualities do I want those people to have? And what type of leader do I have to evolve into? And how do I say that? What type of leader do I want to grow into to be able to help those people that I've aligned with? And those were questions that I was not ready to address early on when I first started in internet marketing. So what did I end up attracting? I attracted people who were needy. I attracted people who had a lotto mindset with, their business. I attracted people who were not disciplined, nor were they willing to be disciplined. I attracted people who they let their fear drive them instead of where they wanted to be. So, if I said, hey, like, here's the blueprint, here's the things you need to do to have success in your business, they would nitpick and say, well, I don't want to do that because I don't like video marketing. I don't want to do this because, and literally, if you gave them 4 steps, they would do 1. And then they would wonder why they didn't have success in their business. Like, these were the type of people that I was attracting early on in my business. And one day I sat down, I said, wait a minute here. Oh wait, and I forgot one. I was attracting people who they were not willing to or ready to invest in their business, because again, it's a business. When you join a franchise or you join an opportunity, the opportunity is just the franchise, right? It's literally just the license. And you know what I mean? There may be other things that if you want to grow, you may have to invest in, like tools for your business, like an autoresponder, right? And they're like, no, I don't want to do that. And I was like, wait a minute. So I had to literally get a piece of paper and be like, what am I doing? What am I doing wrong? Something has to be you know what I mean? Like, I was just having this driving crazy type of moment where I was like, I can't, right? What am I doing? I sat down and I got a piece of paper and I wrote down what type of people I wanted to attract in my business. I got very clear. I wrote right at the top of the piece of paper, I said, I want to attract people who are willing to invest in their business. I want to attract people who understand that this is a business. I want to attract people who are willing to do the work to build a business. I want to attract people who are positive. I want to attract people who understand that they are building their business to do something, right? People who had a vision of building a business because they wanted to do something with the income they generated from their business, not just generate income just to say they wanted more money, right? So for example, there's some people in my tribe, they're like, you know what, I want to build a business because I want to pay off debt. There's other people in my tribe, they have a vision for themselves. They're like, I want to build income so that, 6 months from now, I could walk away from my job. I want to build income so that I could invest. I want to build income, whatever, fill in the blank. I could stay home with my babies, right? They have a vision of what they're building. And those are the type of people that I wanted to align myself with. But then there were some things that I had to write down that I had to do to grow into the leader that I needed to be to attract those people. All right. So I had to set some standards and communicate some standards. Okay. And so I had to write down what I was willing to do to attract those people. One, I was willing to learn more about leadership. I read leadership books all the time. I have a bookshelf, you can't even see it, it's up there, full of leadership books. I read books on marketing, right? So that, sorry, oh, one of my chats just popped up in there, cussing in there. So anyways, um, I had to grow into this person. I had to, invest in coaching programs, um, so that I could, not to necessarily be a coach, but so that I would have something to offer to my people or to teach my people, right? Leadership. So these are the things that I had to do. And then I also had to check myself and learn how to be consistent and disciplined so that if I expected the people that align with me to be working towards building a business, I had to do the same. I had to check myself. So these are things that I began to do for myself so that I could attract those people that I talked about. And you know what? Guess what? The universe manifested itself and I began to attract those people. But it also started with me setting a standard it started with the process that or the screening process when people came to me. So when people came to me asking a few questions, hey, are you ready to invest, blah, in yourself? Hey, are you committed to 90 days of applying the blueprint? Okay, yes. Okay, cool. Now there's some people that they came to me and I told them my access to my tribe starts at platinum. Why? I want people who have a mindset of this is not a get rich quick scheme. I have to position myself at income levels where I can earn because this is a business, right? Right? So when I said that to some people, they say, well, I only have blah. And I say, no problem. What I want you to do is I want you to save until you have that because this is the stand. You know what I'm saying? Like you have to have a standard in your business about the people who you want to align with, the people that you want to attract, the people that you want to work with. Some people said, oh, I'm just going to go find somebody who's going to let me just spend this $35 and start whatever. And I'm cool. Go find those people. So yes, is it hard for some people to turn? Some people just say, well, just take no. I want people to have a certain mindset when they come in, and I want people to also position themselves to earn life-changing commissions because a long-term business mindset versus I just want to make money. So anyways, that said, that was part of a standard I had to set for myself. I had to say, you know what, when people align with me, they have to position, they have to be willing to apply this blueprint that I give to them to rock their business. They have to be positive. And you have to be okay with telling people if they don't fit that standard, it's okay, Godspeed, right? You see what I'm saying? So set a standard in your business and rock that 110%, and then you will see a difference in the people that you attract, and you'll see a difference in your tribe. And I'll have a rocking tribe that I love. You see what I'm saying? So it's been wonderful. So set a standard in your business and communicate that standard, and you'll begin to attract people who understand that standard. All right, and then you make sure that you are becoming that standard. If you're not already there, become that standard, right? Set the example for your tribe of what you expect for them to do, become, and be, and support them in their journey of, doing, becoming, and growing, right? And that's it. That's the full circle. So set a standard, attract your tribe, what I'm saying? And have fun with this journey. And remember, it's your business. You don't have to accept anything in your business because it's your business. All right, it's your business. Who you decide that you align with, what type of people, what type of qualities you want to align with, it's your business. You don't have to accept any standard. And that's something that I wish somebody told me early on. Nobody did. And I learned that along the way, and I'm much happier. I'm much happier with the quality of people that are in my tribe as a result of that. All right. So check out the comment section below. There'll be some great information for you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And share this with somebody who needs it. Bye, guys.